Hey, welcome to another video from Medical Gear Outfitters. We picked up a few of these pouches and I wanted to give you guys a heads up on it. This is the North American Rescue drop leg pouch. Now, yes, it's a drop leg pouch, but it doesn't have to be a drop leg pouch. Is the reason why I picked a few of them up. So you can take this part off, take the leg strap off, and all you're left with is these MOLLE clips right here. So these can weave in, these can go to your vest, your backpack, plate carrier, whatever you want to MOLLE this onto, it'll MOLLE on. It's actually really flat, so I like that. If you're looking for a drop leg, absolutely, you could use the drop leg. But if you're looking for a cool pouch, I think this is it. It has a pouch here on the front for gloves, things like that. That's probably what I would put in there. Unzip it. Got a few elastic bands area that you could put cap tourniquet, pressure bandage, soft tee, whatever you want to do. But obviously some cool compartments here. You've got more elastic down the bottom where you could put MPA, Sharpie, things like that. Probably put some chest seals down here. But everything for a complete IFAK will fit in here. Nice low profile. I think this is a pretty cool pouch. We are only going to sell it bag only because we have a limited run of these. So we don't have a ton of them. So what I would suggest is, obviously if you already have supplies, buy the pouch. That'd be awesome. If you say, hey, I want a complete kit, then go over to the trauma kit section, go to kits and then trauma kits, and then you can see supplies only. So you could buy just the supplies and buy this pouch here, and you have a complete kit. If you're missing some components, go over the components, airway, chest seals, whatever you'd like, and you can refill your IFAK as needed. So hope this helps. I appreciate the support. You guys are awesome. Thank you guys for watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember, you need the right gear and the right training.